So Big Bird here, my buddy Scuba. We're going to do a little work on the Honda. Sounds like shit. Needs a tune-up. Oh, there's Scuba in the car. What's up, Scuba? Bought this last year for about $1,600. Have not done an oil change. Got a little lifter knock in it. Start it up, Scoob. Not a horrible little Honda with 170,000 miles on it, but you can hear that. It's making a noise. Gonna rip this whole manifold off. We're gonna put a custom manifold, custom catback exhaust. You can hear it has no sound at all right now. Just typical Honda double fucking barreled shit. Get out of the back of the fucking garage here, kill myself. Do some before and afters. Little old stock muffler. Hit it, Scoop. That's just not loud enough.